Hi Arish, welcome to this
Hi,
feedback
sir.
session. How are you doing today?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I'm also doing good, thank you. So for the viewers who are watching this video, we have Mr. Arish Sheikh with us today. He has recently completed his multi-track training program here at IE Medita and got placed with Nexap Technologies as a NOC engineer, network engineer. So today we are here to discuss about his experience during the training program, what kind of approach he took for his learning purposes, and about his background as well. So, hi Arish, welcome again, and let's get
Yes,
started
sir.
quickly. So,
Yes, sir.
how are you? And can you tell us a little bit about yourself, your background into the IT industry, a quick introduction about yourself?
Yes, sir. So my name is Arish Sheikh, and I have 1 year of experience as a network support engineer. And I have completed my BTech from Solapur University, and I have done CCNA, CCNP certifications from IMEDITA. And right now, I got placed in Nexap Technologies as a network engineer.
Great. So, how was your overall experience here at IE Medita? How much time you spent with your learning and your learning related activities here?
Overall time, sir, it's been 1 year since I'm studying
Okay.
for CCNA, CCNP, and network fundamentals. So yeah.
And how was your overall experience here during the courses?
Yeah, it was very good, sir. All the faculties are very good in teaching, and in terms of understanding all the concepts, they are very experienced.
Okay. So, have you completed your entire course or you have not done all the modules of your multi-track program?
I have completed my entire course.
Okay.
It was multi-track with cybersecurity, so I have
Okay.
completed the course.
So, you have done with CCNA, you have done with CCNP, you have done with network security and CH as well, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Great. So, from which all instructor you took your classes, and tell me about your experience with all these individual instructors?
Yes, sir. First of all, for CCNA, I enrolled the batch of Vikas Nichal, sir. And for CCNP routing switching as well, Vikas sir was the teacher. And after that, Baldev sir was for network security and for Palo Alto as well. And for CEH and Linux, Yuvraj sir was the faculty.
So, how
Yeah.
was your experience with all these instructors?
All the instructors are very good, sir. They have a lot of experience in their specific domain.
Okay.
All my concepts were clear. Especially Vikas sir has a very good knowledge and in terms of experience in
Okay.
networking field.
Great.
And his teaching style, I like his teaching style. Yeah.
Great. When you enrolled here, as you mentioned that you are undergoing all these courses from last 1 year along with your job.
Yeah.
When you enrolled here, how you got to know about IE Medita? Because this is the first time you have undergone certain courses with us. So how you got to know about IE Medita?
Actually, I was in search of networking classes. After I filtered out 2 or 3 classes, I came to iMedita. And after coming here, I saw the labs and all this setup. So I found it very genuine. And after having 1 or 2 demo classes, I got more interested in joining
Okay.
iMedita.
Okay. And I'm sure before enrolling here, as you mentioned that you came here for the inquiry, then you attended some demo
Yeah.
classes so that you get an
Yeah.
idea. There
Yeah.
must be expectations in your mind that time that this is what I'm going to learn. This is what I expect in terms of environment, lab, study material, instructors, assistance, and our team's assistance in
Yeah.
providing you all the necessary learning related things. So today, when you have completed your course and 1 year back when you inquired and attended some demo session, so were we able to met your expectation throughout this 1 year?
Yes, yes, yes. Obviously, you have met my expectations, and I already understood in 1 or 2 weeks that this is the class where I can grow myself in a networking and security field. Yeah.
Okay. And how much time you spend with your labs and self-study related activities?
Throughout the day, I used to study about 6 to 7 hours with practical hands-on.
Okay,
That's
fine.
it.
What are the two, three major things you liked here at IE Medita?
First of all, the faculty. They are very experienced and good in teaching. And after that, the lab setup and all the resources which you are providing us. And even though after the classes or after any session, if you are having any doubts or something, the teachers are very good and they'll help you.
Okay.
Yeah.
You got all the required study material from our side, notes, handouts, and all the
Yes,
related
yes,
material?
yes. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Today, how confident you are feeling in terms of knowledge? when you enrolled that time, your knowledge was different. Now, when you have completed certain courses and modules,
Yeah.
you might have a different level of knowledge. So, how confident and well prepared you are in terms of that knowledge?
Yeah, coming from a different background, sir, when I spent 1 year here, I'm confident now that as a network engineer, I can deliver to the organization's expectations, sir.
Okay, fine,
Yeah.
fine. And you also attend PD classes and interview preparation classes separately?
Yes, sir, yes.
Okay, and how many interviews you have given in last 1 month?
In last 1 month, sir, almost 4 to 5 interviews I have
Okay,
given. Yes,
okay,
sir.
great. So, are you satisfied with the services you have got from iMedita?
Yes, sir, fully satisfied, sir. No
Okay.
problem.
So, what advice would you give to other students, those who are undergoing courses here? They have similar
Yeah.
background like yours. So, what advice would you give to them?
My only advice will be have practical hands-on. Do not depend on theoretical knowledge. Don't learn and go to the interviews. Make your concepts clear.
Hmm.
That will be my one and only advice.
Great. And how would you rate our training and services on a scale of 10 based on your experience?
It's a 10 on 10, sir, for me.
Okay. And any feedback, any suggestions for us through which we may improve our training and services in future?
No, sir, I don't have any suggestions or feedbacks.
Okay, great. So thank you, Arish. Thank you for giving us your valuable time. We wish you
Thank
all
you,
the
sir.
very best for this
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
journey, and do contribute to your organization. Get them
Yeah.
most out of your time as well. So all the best once again, and thank you for giving your time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.